What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Tesla Commute vlog. Today we're starting off a new series here, or basically just filming with a Hero 4 instead of cell phone selfie camera. So hopefully better video quality, a little bit wider angle. It is a little bit darker outside, so that kind of makes the quality a little bit less presentable, or not so nice. I don't know, whatever. Not too worried about it. So today I was going to have a brief talk about my DJI Spark, which I was going to bring and show you, but I decided against that. I decided I would talk about these AKG wireless headphones I got for free with my Note 9 pre-order. But then I decided against that because I woke up this morning and was extremely annoyed with Tesla. Yeah, that's right. I'm annoyed with Tesla. Okay, you hear that, Elon? They sent out an over-the-air update yesterday. I said, oh, cool, over-the-air update. I like that. So I took the update, and this morning, lo and behold, I get in the garage, I get in my car, and it says charge complete, but I'm only at 173, which is enough for the day, but is kind of annoying. And I thought, why 173? And then it dawned on me. The over-the-air update changed a setting which they shouldn't have changed. I don't understand why you would change the trip range. So for those that aren't in the know, Tesla lets you go in there and basically select how much charge you want for that charge cycle for that night, or basically it just sticks. So until you change it again, it stays there. So, you know, say you're only going to drive 20 miles that day, well, you'll only charge up to 70 or something instead of going to the full range of the car. They say it's better for the battery and whatnot, and I can kind of understand that. But with the amount of driving I do, which is like 100 miles a day, or 49.3 miles one way to be exact, it just doesn't really make sense to have a charge limit on there, because I end up using most of the charge for the day. When I go to work, come back, probably go somewhere in the afternoon even, who knows. And with the amount of energy I lose because of the heat and because of the way I drive, it just makes sense to go to the full charge. So I always had it set to the full charge, but lo and behold, an over-the-air update changed my trip setting. So it cut it down to like 80% charge or something like that. And I was just really annoyed by that. So, they say before you say anything negative about something or someone, say something positive. Well, I just can't today. I was annoyed by that. But I will say that thankfully now there's a supercharger on my way to work, very conveniently located right off the highway. So I popped in there for like 15 minutes and got some extra charge, but I just wasn't planning on it, and it was kind of annoying. So there you have it. Tesla can be annoying, and if you're listening, don't mess with my settings. I mean, what's next? You're gonna change the position of my seat with an over-the-air update, or you're gonna erase my trip settings from, that I've been driving it for 30,000 miles or whatever, trip A, trip B type of thing. You're gonna erase those. I mean, why mess with settings that aren't critical, that have nothing to do with the functionality of the vehicle? It's just annoying. So that's my rant this morning. If you wanted to hear about DJI, if you want to hear about AKG, if you want to hear about other stuff, stay tuned, subscribe and like, and those videos are coming. Peace.